This is Drew the driver with Ride and Cash again. I am about to go drop off a scooter at this location right over in North Park off of Arnold Avenue. And daytime scooter drops are a real pain in the butt because if I scroll out, let me show you. Oh shoot, that's a 4. Going, oh, I lost it. All right. Oh, I can't. Okay, so I unclaimed, then reclaimed. You can't reclaim after you unclaim the nest. It has an error. So I just messed up a lot. So, all right. What I was trying to show you is that the map is scarce. There's only 2 hubs available in North Park area. And I made the mistake of unclaiming one of them. So now I can't go and deliver on that, which was a mistake of mine, but irrelevant. I'm about to go drop them off. So I'm in my car right now. It's a little bit more work to unload them. This hub has 3 available, but because I unclaimed it, it won't let me claim it, so I'm going to see if I can even deliver on it. So I'm going to take these 2. So I'm going to go into the app, click over to the, well, you can't really see it, but it's essentially the release bird section. I'm going to see if I could do it even though I can't claim the nest. All right, it's showing I can. Now I'm scanning it, 1 down, second one, done. Then I take a picture, so I gotta get a little further back. I have a pretty good feeling that this location is gonna bounce me back as a bad deployment. But hey, whatever. And it shows that it's got another 2. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to unload these next 2, see if it works out. Proximity meter showing up, okay, 2, click the release, scan it, ooh, it's gonna let me unload them. You take the photo to confirm, error, that's weird. It says it's giving me an error that I can't deploy it. See one more time. So it's that photo, error, don't have enough available. Huh. Okay. Try 1. Confirm. This drop does not have enough spots to release. Weird. Okay, so I might have to move on to the next zone. Let's see. Charger. Go back to release birds. It's there. So as you can see, you end up encountering a lot of problems when you are unlocking and delivering the scooter. So this is another error message. So essentially I was able to drop 2 off, but this one says error, this drop does not have enough available spots for release, which, considering it shows on the map that it does, that's an inaccurate thing. But did I claim it? Now it's showing the 1. Okay. I think I can get this one released, just not two of them. All right, took the photo, confirming the photo, and it released it. Okay, so I was able to get 3 out of this location, but now I have to find another. So there, that button. All right. Looks like this one's all the way over by the T-Mobile store at El Cajon and 30th, right by Belching Beaver. So we're gonna go over there right now.